Hi, I'm Sheila, and today we're here at Arbor Valley Nursery to discuss plants that perform well in urban areas. We will also give you some examples of plants that are suited for small spaces and city environments. Urban areas can often present unique challenges for landscape plants, including limited space, air pollution, and restricted sunlight. However, there are many plants that are well adapted to urban conditions. Here are some examples of types of plants that thrive in urban areas. Ornamental grasses, such as Karl Forster feather reed grass and fountain grass, are well suited for urban environments. These provide texture, movement, and low maintenance beauty, and can tolerate a wide range of growing conditions, including air pollution and limited space. Succulents and cacti are also excellent choices for urban areas due to their ability to store water and tolerate drought. These plants come in various shapes, sizes, colors, and textures, making them versatile options for containers and small yards. Native wildflowers can be a great option for urban areas. These can be beneficial for attracting pollinators, providing wildlife habitat, and requiring less maintenance. Examples of native wildflowers in Colorado include butterfly weed, penstemon, and bee balm. Another great choice for urban areas are compact trees and shrub varieties. Some trees and shrubs are available in dwarf forms that are very well suited for cities. Look for options such as a dwarf crabapple, dwarf evergreen tree, or a compact shrub, which can be grown in a container or a small yard. Living in an apartment or having a small patio doesn't mean that you can't enjoy gardening. Here are some plant options that can thrive in containers and are suitable for apartments or patios. Herbs such as basil, rosemary, thyme, and mint are very ideal for apartment gardening. These are compact, aromatic, and they can be grown in small containers. Place herbs near a sunny window or on your balcony where they can receive adequate sunlight. Potted flowers are another great option for urban living. Many flowering plants can be grown in containers. These add color as well as fragrance to your apartment or patio. Examples include a wide variety of perennials as well as flowering shrubs such as hydrangea or roses. Make sure to choose varieties that suit your lighting conditions as well as personal preferences. If you have a small yard, there are still plenty of plants that can enhance your outdoor space. Here are some ideas. Utilize containers to grow a wide variety of plants, including flowers, herbs, and even vegetables. You can arrange containers strategically, maximizing your space and creating visual interest. Climbing vines, such as clematis, honeysuckle vine, or trumpet vine, are great for vertical gardening in small yards. These can be trained to grow onto trellises, walls, even fences, adding height and beauty to your outdoor space. Espalier trees are trained to grow flat against a wall or a fence. These take up minimal space. Apple, pear, or peach trees are commonly used for espalier techniques. These provide fruit while adding visual interest and color to your small yard. Vertical gardens are excellent choices for small yards, as they utilize vertical wall space. You can grow plants in specifically designed vertical planters, or you can create your own garden using hanging pots, wall-mounted planters, and/or trellis systems. Be sure to consider growing requirements for every individual plant, including light and water needs. Proper care and maintenance, especially watering, fertilization, and pruning, will ensure that these plants thrive in urban spaces.